Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are starting a new series which is called What's Inside. So let's see. Our guest of honor is Samsung Galaxy S20 with 128 of gigabytes of memory. So let's start. When you open the box you get, of course, the phone. This is the phone. It's the gray edition. It's the S20 simple, no ultra, no plus, no nothing. So in the box you get the phone. Besides this, let's see. Let's start with the top cover. You get this little thing with all the manuals. I assume this should be, yeah. This is the SIM tray. Okay, and here you open. These are all the manuals, as you can see, all the manuals you need. We're not gonna open them because nobody's got time for that. Let's see what's in the box. So you get this little cover. Besides this, you get the charger. And this is the, let me see if it will focus. Okay, super fast charging, and it comes with, does it say the voltage on it? Yeah, it should. 25 watts over here, right here. You can see the whole charging, you can see it. It's pretty clear. Okay, so you get the plug-in charger. Well, this is a little box which is empty, just to hold the charger in place. Besides, you get the cable. This is the charging cable. It's pretty decent, not too big, not too small. Let's see, and it is with USB-C on both sides, as you can see. Okay, let's move on. You got this little package which says AKG, if it wants to focus. AKG and Samsung. These are the headphones which are now on USB-C. Also, you get here in the pouch with the headphones, you get all these different ear tips replacements, and you get this really nice AKG headphones, which are always a good addition to any phone. I know I've had them from the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, also on USB-C and original by Samsung. Yes, let's get this out of the way, and that's it. This was it. As I mentioned, this phone is, if you can see over here, cosmic gray, 128 gigs of memory, and I will just turn it on to show you. The phone is really slick and really nice in hand. This is where you have the SIM tray. Also you have the volume buttons and the lock button, and also you have here the USB-C. So as you can see, this is just started, brand new. This was it. So what's in the box? Samsung Galaxy S20. See you in the next one. Bye.